lovely, Neil.
Thank you.
What is that called?
The Queen of 1964, about an aging groupie.
Ah, and that's your new single, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Terrific. Why don't we sing the #1 in America right now, shall we?
As we rehearsed it.
Yes, as we rehearsed it.
In the key of A.
Yes.
In the key of A, all right.
Strolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour.
I love it, I love it.
Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver run down my spine. I feel the warmth of his hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside.
After a while we run under a tree. I turn to her and she kisses me. There with the beat of the rain on the leaves, softly she breathes and I close my eyes. Sing it for me.
We're sharing love under stormy skies. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy day and the happy way I feel inside.
Now we have a saxophone.
I feel the warmth of his hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy day and the happy way I feel inside.
Do it again.
Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside.
Feeling happy inside.
I'm feeling happy inside.
Happy inside.
I'm feeling happy inside.